Okay, let's go spicy times.
Ooh.
I'm not going around doing this to my lips. So, welcome to Stop Doing That. I'm Simran,
I'm Isha.
and today we are reacting to weird lip trends. Toilet paper lip.
So it's quite a bougie boy, I must say. Sounds like an art and craft project over a makeup video to me.
That's just melting into his lips, dude.
You
No.
What's the objective of this trend?
It's gone. It's gone. I don't understand it.
No. It's a big no.
Please don't put toilet paper on your face. That looks so swollen, dude.
And too painful.
Is that face? Oh, a plumper. He looks like a fish.
I mean, the wait time is too much. Imagine me doing this. Like, I already have pouty lip and then I would look like a duck.
I think it would work.
Yeah, and I have to quack then.
You would be
after
a
it.
very cute duck.
Yeah, but I am cute now also with my
Yeah.
pouty lips. So guys, if you want to achieve like Kylie lips and you have like really thin lips, maybe you can try. But if you have already pouty lips, 100% do not try.
I'm not going around doing this to my lips. Okay, let's go spicy times.
Ooh.
उसने अलग chili use किया, इसने अलग
Yeah,
chili use
because
किया.
हमारे हिंदुस्तान में we don't get such exotic jalapenos. Probably controversial.
So just like green chili on your lip, okay.
No.
Aligned so far. I do like spicy stuff.
Not in my wildest dream I'm putting chilies on my lips. Nay. Sim, what if this madam goes on a date post that? What do you think the boy would have to suffer?
Maybe he also likes spicy things, bro.
Date that ended too soon? You never know.
It can also go longer. I feel like, we are on very two different ends of this.
Exactly.
Don't do it, but also I might do it. ये क्या? Why is she
Sorry.
doing that? But what is the trend? I'm not understanding. Why would you do that to your lips?
Why is it like diagonally and not all four sides or
What
same
is-
side?
What is the hack here?
I don't know.
Stop doing that. Put the rubber bands away. Okay, Beetlejuice.
It makes me thirsty with the word juice.
Oh, I like the color.
I don't.
It looks like phate hue lips.
More like a Halloween trend.
We don't even have Halloween here, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you think was the best and the worst of the lot?
All were worst.
Yeah, but like
I am not trying anything
rank
on
it.
my lips.
The worst of the lot was the lip one for me, like the rubber band one, because why would you tie that to your lips? It doesn't even do anything. I just don't see the point.
I agree, but yet that was the most amusing video for me. I loved it. I loved her makeup. I loved the way she tied her lips. What if I tell you I've tried this in past, something similar? Would you judge me?
I would not judge you, but I would like to know more. And that's all for today.
We hope you guys had fun. Please do tell us what are the trends that you would try on your lips.
Or not try, you can just comment below.